This is Waga, and welcome back to the channel. As always, like and subscribe. We are going to continue building out our Infinity app, and today we're going to build the details page. The details page is the page that when you click, let it start. It was starting up. When you click, just give it a second. When it loads and you click, it gives you more details about what you just, the image that you clicked on. And yeah, and first I can see there are two issues, the two errors that I left in my previous, when we were building in the previous video. And the first is, okay, if we come here, I think we have an extraneous comma. We have an extra comma. So let's just do that, and I think that's sorted. This one is in the test widget, so it's fine. So yeah, so we're going to be working on the details page. The details page is going to be the page that when we click like so, let's click, yeah, so the page, this is what we're going to be working on. It's pretty straightforward, and then after that we can hook up our the app we're building to the simulator, because the simulator is running on actually VS Code. It's VS Code that we're using to run this. So we're just going to hook up Android Studio to this simulator so that we can see it. So let's get to work. Let's go to the details page, and the first thing we're going to return is we're going to return a scaffold like so. We're going to have an app bar. The app bar is going to be up bar like so. The title is going to be from NASA. We're just going to get it from NASA, so we could say NASA dot title. The title is a string, I believe. Yes, so we can check in the model the title, string title. So yeah, so we can just pass in the string. The title is a string. It's the one at the top here. And the background color is going to be black, but of course the black leads with this black in the image, but not all images are black. So okay, we can have the background color to be colors black like this. And after that we're going to go to have a body, and in the body we're going to have a list view. The body is going to have a list view, and yeah, we're going to use a list view in the body. So you could say list view like so, and the list view is going to have, of course, we're going to use children, and the widget we're going to use stack. Stack, and the stack of course are going to have children like so, and we're going to have the first child container. The container is going to we're going to say child, and at the center we are going to have center with child, stacking child hell again. We're going to say circular progress indicator like so. So afterwards we are going like so, and then we're going to have the hero. We need a hero. And the tag, of course, we used the tag last time. It was date, but you could use title. I'm guessing title is also pretty much title is also pretty much unique. And the child is going to be fade in. You could say fade in dot memory network like so. And the placeholder we're going to use, actually we're going to import transparent image and use it as a placeholder. We're going to, it's the package that we got at the beginning, and it's going to be transparent image, and you put a semicolon at the end like that. Yeah, and here we say k transparent, where is it k transparent image, and the image we're going to get from nasa.url, I believe. We're saying nasa.url like so, and the fit is going to be box fit does contain like so, And then at the end of the stack, we're going to come here and put a comma, and we can put a semicolon over here. And at the end of the stack, where's the stack? We're going to have padding like so, and here we're going to have padding like this, and we're going to say edge inserts dot all. We pass in 16.0. Could pass in 16, it will be cast into a float. The child is going to be a row, and the row is going to have a children widget, and the widget I think are going to be this too. It's going to be a text. The text is going to be NASA.date like this, and the style is going to be text style, and this is of course, let's give ourselves a bit more real estate. This is of course dependent on your taste. If you want something bigger, put something bigger. If you want something smaller, put something smaller. Yeah, so font weight is going to be font weight dot normal like that, and font weight the normal font style is going to be font style dot italic like that. And afterwards we're going to have a container. The container is going to hold the space and this, right? The container is going to have, we could say the container is going to have a width, I could say a width of let's give it 200, and then the child is going to be text, and the text is going to be, well, yeah, we're going to put in the text there. Continue. So for the text, we are going to put in yeah, we need this sign, this copyright sign. So for that, you could just press Control, Command, and Spacebar on a Mac, and on a Windows you press the window button and the full stop or period, and you would get something similar. So we'd scroll down. I think it's somewhere down. I saw it somewhere down. Where is it? Over here. Okay, so we have that C like that, and afterwards we put in a space, and we use string interpolation for NASA dot copyright like so. We can check that out in the model. Where is it? Copyright, string copyright. Yeah, that's that. That's what we're putting there. And afterwards you can put in some soft wrap so that it comes down like this. We could say true like so. Text align, we put it at the end. It's going to be text align dot end to push it to that side, and the style is going to be text style. The text style is going to be basically the same as this, one. So we could just copy this text style. Let's copy the inside of the, yeah, we say this. We copy this, copy, and then come and paste it here, like so. Yeah. And after that, we're going to go to the end of padding. Why is it complaining so much? Oh, we haven't put a semicolon here. Why is this complaining? I'm trying to figure it out. Okay. What seems to be the matter? Text style. Oh, let's just undo what we just did to figure out what an infernal's name is going on. So everything is fine during that text style. So we could say font style, the 12, we copy it line by line. Copy the font weight normal, like this, come here, copy it, and say font weight dot italic to make it look like the other one. So after that, we just come here and put font weight dot font weight. I didn't copy the F font style. Sorry, font style dot italic, like so, and that formatter helps us. And we come to the end of the padding, like so. Where the end of the padding, like so, and we can put a comma here. The end of the padding, like so, and we say padding, and the padding here is edge inserts dot from LTRB is 16.0 16.0, and at the bottom we also have 16.0, like so. And yeah, and afterwards we're going to have the text, all this text here. The text, the child is going to be text into NASA dot description, which I believe is a string. We can confirm this from the dot. Is it a string? Is it a string? Yes, description is a string, as you can see over here. So we go back, and the style is going to be text style, and we are going to have font size. Font size is going to be 16.0. Font weight is going to be font weight dot bold. Like this, dot bold. Yeah, like so. So we hit save, and that's it. Let's see if we have any errors. I think we are more or less done with that. Now it's time for the proof is in the pudding, trying it out. So gents, the moment of truth has come. We have finished building our app, but now we are supposed to test it and see if it actually works as it should. If I look at the data analysis, we have this error is from changing the name on is from the test widget, doesn't count. So we have no errors on our app. So what we could do is we could go to the VS Code and we could stop I built Infinity 2 here. We could stop the simulator and we could run it now from Android Studio, from what we have built, like so. So we'd come here and let's hit go. So hopefully the app will work as we intended it to. I made a few changes on the fly as we're building out, but I'm confident everything should be fine. So we started off by setting up the model. We used the plugin to create this model, and it saves us time because it gives us factory methods to convert to JSON and from JSON. So that is very advantageous for us. Then we went to the main.dart and we built it plus the homepage. The homepage is what you're seeing here. And afterwards, we built the NASA cards. These are the various cards that you see here with the information. And we also built the error card, which in case there is no connection, you can just test it out and see the error card. And after that, finally we built the detail page. That is when you click on this. Let's see if it still has while this is still coming up, still building. Yeah, so we built this today. So hopefully everything should go as expected. And now it's just, we're waiting to see if we have done a good job. I believe we've done a good job. And so we don't expect any surprises. Although I did increase the size of this font, I believe, from the original. It took 68.1 seconds. I'm running the video capturing. I'm running video capturing software, so maybe that's what takes so much time. But it should be fine like this. I'm waiting with bated breath. Drum roll, please. Okay, yes, we can see the circular progress indicator. Yeah, so we get this. It seems like it works. Let's see if we get 5. I'm trying to scroll up. 2 million galaxies. Okay. Eclipse of New York. Okay. So yeah, so those are the images, and we could hit the eclipse of New York to see whether we go into the details page. And yeah, we do go to the details page. Although why isn't this at the end completely? So let's go back to the details page, and it looks like we may have did we text align it to the end? I thought we text aligned it to the end. The date, then the container with the copyright, the text with the copyright. We text align it. Okay. Text align at end. Yeah, why is there such a large space here? Okay, text align. Let's just get rid of this text align and see. It will come close to that, yeah. Why isn't the text align at the complete end? Or we increase the width, we say 400, like so. Okay, that's too much. 300. Okay, that seems okay. And let's try another image. This is the same. Let's try another something else. Okay, fine. I think that this, because there are 2 lines, I hadn't anticipated it having 2 lines. Let's make this a bit smaller. It was a bad idea to make it bigger. So for that, we would come to, I believe it's a NASA card, right? So the NASA card, we would, that's the title. Wait. Yeah, this is the title. So we would come here and say, let's make it 16. I think 16 would look a bit better. Yeah. So okay, fine, that one. I expected it to only have like 1. And let's try to refresh and get 5 more. So it looks like the refresh works. So basically all our functionality that we set out to do or to build in our app is sort of working. It's working actually. It's not that it's sort of working. It's working. It's taking a bit of time to load this image, and when we click it, it's that. So basically that's it. We set out to build an app, the Infinity app, that hits the REST API, the APOD REST API, and shows NASA's picture of the day and cache it locally. And on clicking it, you get more information about the picture, and that's what we've gotten. So you have learned how to use HTTP, the cache network image provider. You have also learned how to use to parse JSON and a bit of routing. You've learned quite a bit in this rather short tutorial compared to the others. As always, thank you. My name is Rago Dongo, and I hope you like the video and you subscribe. And I will see you in the next app.